it's Shai Sarai, and I am catching up on some travel vlogs. So, back in 2023, I made a trip to New Jersey to visit some family. We flew into Newark and had a lot of good food. Went to the beach. And we went to two lighthouses. So the first one was Sandy Hook. It was built in 1764, making it 260 years old. Isn't that wild? The area looked super run down and kind of abandoned, with deer everywhere. Next up, we have the Navesink twin lights. These twin lighthouses were built in 1862, making them over 160 years old. There's a really nice water view from the grounds. And old artifacts like this cannon. As well as more formal exhibits like this huge Fresnel lens. A cool boat / wagon that was used for rescues. And right behind me, we have an early model submarine. Now, one-off items aside, there's actually a whole museum here at the Navesink Twin Lights. But the highlight is definitely climbing up each of the two lighthouses. The spiral staircase up is very narrow. Lots of watch your head signs everywhere. Whoa. Cool, so we made it. The uppermost room was closed in this first lighthouse. But we did get to go out on the gated wraparound terrace. And in the second lighthouse, we went all the way to the top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon, okay?